In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure a mirror port on a Weidmüller switch. First, I will explain what port mirroring is. Next, I will point out how it works. Then I will show the use of port mirroring. A switch normally forwards traffic directly between devices. Other ports cannot see this communication. Port mirroring allows us to copy this traffic to another port, so we can monitor and analyze it. Furthermore, this function can be used to sniff for unwanted traffic, increasing the security of a machine with intrusion detection systems. The original communication happens on the source port. The switch creates a copy of this traffic and sends it to the destination port. This process does not interrupt the normal communication. Port mirroring is commonly used for troubleshooting and packet analysis. For example, if a PLC has communication issues, we can mirror its traffic to a laptop and analyze it using Wireshark. Open Wireshark and select the interface the switch is connected to. Now you can see the normal communication between the devices and the computer. Set a filter. Set the display filter to IP.address equals 192.168.1.10 and IP.address equals 192.168.1.30. This filter shows the traffic between these two IP addresses. Now we don't see any traffic. Now go to the router web interface and ping the switch. The router shows that the ping was successful. Then go to Wireshark and here you don't see the traffic. Now we are going to configure the switch to mirror a port. Open the web interface of the Weidmüller switch and log in. Go to Monitoring and Diagnosis and then to Port Monitoring. Set the destination port RX and TX to port 8 and the source port RX and TX to port 4. Now apply the settings and write them to the flash memory. Now back to the router and create some traffic by pinging the switch too. Back to Wireshark, we can see the traffic between the router and the switch too. To summarize, port mirroring is a simple but powerful tool for network analysis and troubleshooting. It allows us to monitor traffic without affecting communications. Now you learned what port mirroring is and how to set it up on a Weidmüller switch. Thank you for watching.